Do you want to turn festive cheer into a profitable online side hustle? With the power of AI, you can create and sell holiday content that stands out, and it's easier than you think. Stay tuned for more than 6 actionable tips to make this holiday season your most profitable yet. And just very quickly, if you're new to my channel, please make sure you hit that subscribe button right now. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please hit the like button because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. Let's get into this tutorial. Let's get started with tip number 1, which is to identify high demand holiday niches. I recommend to research popular trends and pain points around the holidays. Examples include personalised greeting cards, festive social media templates, or holiday themed printable planners. You can use tools like Google Trends or Etsy's search bar to find what's currently trending. Niching down makes your content more appealing. For instance, instead of generic holiday cards, try rustic themed Christmas cards or funny Hanukkah e-cards. A targeted audience is more likely to convert. I then recommend to analyse your potential customer base. If you notice an uptick in businesses looking for branded holiday content, you can create customised templates for social media posts or email marketing campaigns. Let's now move on to tip number 2, which is to use AI tools for fast content creation. You can leverage platforms like Canva or tools such as Midjourney for AI generated visuals. DALL-E or similar tools can help you create festive illustrations, patterns, or unique designs much more simply. For text-based content, ChatGPT and Gemini can help draft festive stories, poems, or copy for greeting cards and other similar things. For example, craft a cheerful rhyme for a holiday gift tag. You can test different AI settings and different prompts. A slight change like specifying a colour palette or a tone can drastically impact the results. I recommend to experiment until you get the perfect holiday feel. Let's now move on to tip number 3, which is to make your content customizable. I recommend to offer editable versions of your AI generated content, such as templates in PSD or Canva formats. This allows your buyers to tweak colours, text or designs to suit their own needs. Customization appeals to both individual and business buyers. For instance, families might want to add their name to holiday cards, while businesses may add their logo to marketing assets. I recommend to highlight ease of use in your product descriptions. Include examples of how a template can be quickly edited with minimal design experience, making it very beginner friendly for everyone. Let's now move on to tip number 4, which is to create bundles for more value. Instead of selling single items, you can package related content together. For example, you can combine holiday-themed Instagram templates, a festive email header, and a seasonal logo design. Bundles offer more perceived value and allow you to charge higher prices while appealing to a broader audience. Families might love a gift tag and card set, while businesses may prefer social media packs. You can mention the cost savings in your listings, such as save 30% compared to buying these templates individually. I recommend to use limited time discounts to create more urgency in your offers. Let me now give you tip number 5, which is to optimize listings for holiday buyers. You can use holiday specific keywords in your titles and descriptions, like Christmas planner templates or festive New Year's Instagram pack. This makes your listing much easier to find for users. I recommend to write enticing descriptions that speak to the buyer's emotions or their needs. For instance, save hours on holiday planning with this beautifully designed AI generated Christmas planner is a good example. You can also add high quality mock-ups to your product listings. Tools like Place It allow you to showcase your designs in real world settings, like a greeting card on a mantelpiece. Let's now move on to tip number 6, which is to diversify your platforms. Don't limit yourself to just one platform. You can sell on Etsy, Gumroad, or even Shopify. For AI content like social media templates, consider selling directly on Canva's marketplace. Each platform has a unique audience. For example, Etsy attracts craft enthusiasts while Gumroad is excellent for digital creators. You can tailor your marketing approach to each audience. I recommend to use cross-promotion to drive more traffic. You can promote your Etsy listings on Pinterest with festive pins, or link your Shopify store in a holiday-themed blog post. Let me now give you tip number 7, which is to offer limited edition products. You can create urgency by offering seasonal or exclusive designs. For instance, release a 2024 New Year celebration pack that's only available during December. I recommend to highlight scarcity in your marketing. You can use phrases like only 100 downloads available. This encourages customers to act quickly. I recommend to collect feedback on these limited edition products to improve your regular offerings. If one design is a hit, consider including it in next year's bundle. Let's now move on to tip number 8, which is to promote your content creatively. I recommend to use festive hashtags like #holiday-cards or #Christmas templates to gain more visibility on social media sites such as Instagram and TikTok. You can also post sneak peeks of your designs to generate more interest. I recommend to share testimonials or use case examples. For instance, here's how Sarah used our holiday template to double her Instagram engagement in December is a good example of a user case study. You can also run a promotion or giveaway to drive more sales. For example, buy one holiday template and get another one free for the next 48 hours only. This is a good way to engage users by asking them to tag their friends. Let's now move on to tip number 9, which is to focus on long-term relationships. I recommend to collect emails by offering a freebie such as a mini holiday themed sticker pack or printable. You can use these leads to market your paid products all year round. I recommend to ask satisfied customers to leave reviews or share your content on their social media. Their endorsement can significantly boost your credibility and your sales. You can also offer discounts for returning customers or loyalty perks. For example, enjoy 20% off our Valentine's Day collection if you bought from our Christmas range is a good example. Let me now give you tip number 10, which is to collaborate with influencers and creators. Partnering with influencers or content creators in the holiday niche can significantly boost your visibility and your sales. You can reach out to micro-influencers who specialise in holiday DIYs, crafting or festive planning, and offer them free samples of your AI-generated content in exchange for reviews or social media mentions. You can also co-create exclusive bundles with these influencers, combining their unique insights with your designs. For example, a lifestyle blogger might collaborate on a holiday planner bundle tailored for busy families, adding credibility and appeal to your product. I recommend to focus on building long-term partnerships. Once influencers experience the quality of your work, they may continue promoting your brand throughout the year, creating a consistent stream of traffic and revenue. So there you have it, 10 powerful tips that you can use. Now, the next thing to do to accelerate your learning even further is click the link in the description box below this video right now and go through to my website www.digitalprofitsnetwork.com, and you can get instant access to our comprehensive online training courses and resources. These are fantastic resources and are perfect for beginners and people of all ability levels, and will guide you every step of the way to starting your own successful online business, and will also help you to generate an income online. So take action and check out that link right now below to learn more. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I can only help you if you are subscribed, and please give the video a thumbs up because that really does energize me to create more content for you. Thank you very much indeed. And don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I have put my LinkedIn link in the description below the video. It's always a pleasure to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel, and have a wonderful day.